So first thing first, let's load our dataset. So I have uploaded the dataset into Power BI notebook. It's getting loaded. It's going to take some time, I guess. So let's wait. Okay, so our dataset is being uploaded. So this dataset is perfect for analyzing e-commerce performance and customer behavior. Okay, so yeah, so let's wait for a few seconds. So yeah, so this is the dataset which we are going to visualize. So let's click on load. So yeah, so our data is being uploaded. Let's wait for a few seconds more. Yeah, it is being uploaded. Let's wait a few seconds more. Sometimes it takes, you know, more time than normally it takes. So let's wait. So our data set, as you can see, is being loading. It's going to take a few seconds more, I guess. So total 60,000 rows are there. Okay. So it's loaded. So on the extreme right side, we can see the data set and its components. So yeah, so finally it's loaded. So first thing first, we are going to visualize cards. Okay. No filters, just clean cards. Okay. So yeah. So let's first of all, before that, let me change the background a bit. So as we know, the Shopify is around light green color. So let's have it greenish color. Okay. And first thing first, let's have our card. Okay. Uh, let's have revenue over here in the field and aggregation as sum. So here we will have, let's have it as average. Here we will have average order revenue. Average order revenue. Okay. Let's keeping it bold, keeping it Arial black, keeping it in center. Okay. Let's switch off the category label. Okay. Now let's have let's change the static part first, so it's easier for us to change the layout of the complete dashboard. Okay. Let's have it white only. Have visual border on, making it 20. Okay. Let's keep it dark green. Switching on shadow. Okay. Let's have it white. Okay. Let's copy paste a bit. Over here we can have total units sold. So for that, we should add quantity and the sum of it. So that will show total quantity sold. Okay. Now let's have another visualization, which is going to be line chart. First visualization R. There's going to be line chart. For this, I'm gonna have order date in the x-axis, and let's do it by year only, I guess. In the y-axis, we can have revenue, and sum of the revenue. Okay. So we should change, remove quarter, month, day, only by year. Or we can add year and month. So yeah. So now let's change the title to total revenue trend. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's add another visualization, which is going to be let's have a clustered column chart. For this, in the x-axis, we can have uh, product category. Okay. And in the y-axis, we can have quantity, sum of it, which we already got. So now going over here from the x-axis, I should remove the values to keep things very clean. Remove title. Similar with y-axis, switch off value, switch off title. And in the columns, and in the title, let's change it to sales volume by category. And over here as well, let's change the visual. Color to darker green. Let's add a slicer. Let's remove it. Let's just copy paste the design. And in the fill, let's have order date and country. So filter by date and country. Let's change it. Let's make it drop down. and title should be filter by date and country. Okay, so, so I've added a few PNGs already for the next steps. Because I'm gonna add a hide and show effect overall. Let's put the Shopify logo at the very last. Okay, so now let's do one thing. Uh, let's group all the visualizations and cards, and including slicer, as one group first. So right click, let's group it. Okay. So now let's click on bookmarks and add a bookmark. Click show. This is already here. Now let's add another bookmark. Click hide and hide this visual. The entire group's gonna hide. Click update. So show, click on show. Now click on update. So hide, show, hide, show. Perfect. So now we have to make this effect using cross and green tick button. So now click on cross, go to format image, turn on action, uh, switch bookmark. Now cross is hide. So now whenever I'm gonna click on control plus cross, it's gonna go away. Now similar effect with green button. Click on type bookmark, bookmark show. So now I'm gonna click on control plus green tick. It's showing. So control plus cross, control plus green, control plus cross, control plus green. So this is a very basic show and hide effect I've shown you using Shopify dataset. So you can do similar effect using your own favorite dataset. Okay. So that's it for today. See you next time.